What's up, guys? We are here in Elite. We are doing the what are we doing here? The Wild Random top 6. That's right. Had to refocus real quick. We're gonna go live real quick. Get a timestamp. Live at 11:12. It's 11:12 here in Denver. We got our list. It's just the team list. I took out Minnesota free random, so nobody doesn't get that spot. We're gonna go 3 times. And top 6. Top 6 is going to win the Wild for 2 boxes each. Good luck, guys. 1, 2. Kunkel on top after 2. Do a little timestamp. Eleven 13. 11-13. Third and final time, guys. Good luck. Top 6. Bang. Well, we got Mac, Botwick, Peter, Marty, and Yusi. Top 6. Congrats, guys. We'll do our third and final timestamp. 11-13. Just turned 11-14. Guys, there you have it. Again, top 6. Charlie, you get the first 4 boxes. Botwick, 5 and 6. Peter, 7 and 8. Marty, 9-10. And UC, 11-12.